Thank God I finally get some time away from the evil monkey in my closet.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys. Today's Sunday, and we finally had some good weather this weekend. It is not below freezing or freezing weather, so I'm actually going to be going out and doing some racing today. So I'm bringing you guys along, and we'll see how the day goes. I haven't raced probably in about 3 months now because of the weather, and the racing season's just been over, so it's kind of like a fun day. But we'll see how I do today.
Sticker for you.
Oh, the GemFan monkey.
Monkey, not evil
you.
monkey.
Awesome, thanks, man. Alright guys, so we've got a special guest here today. It is Jonathan Imperius, and he is all the way up here from Grand Junction. He's one of the fastest pilots in Colorado, and I forget, are you sponsored?
I'm not.
Not sponsored yet, so, but, and what's your YouTube channel?
Imperius FPV.
Okay, guys, so check him out. He's got some freaking fast stuff. He's on Facebook too, so definitely check him out. He's definitely good. So just wanted to say hi to him, and anything you wanted to add? To YouTube?
That's good.
All right, cool. All right, awesome. Well, thanks for taking the time to do an interview, guys, and make sure to check out his YouTube channel, guys. Show him some love. All right, talk to you later. All right, guys, so that concludes today's race day. I made it all the way up to the C mains, which is pretty good, and I hope you liked my special guest, Jonathan, all the way from Grand Junction. So definitely follow him on YouTube, and make sure to root for him as he will be going to the MultiGP Nationals in February in Las Vegas. So guys, in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.